Hello common man. Today I am going to share with you the benefits of Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Pariyojana scheme details. As per this scheme, every Indian can now purchase general medicines at a very reduced cost and at a very discounted rate. There are around 4,100 Jan Aushadhi stores throughout the India in 2019, and many more are going to be opened shortly. So for example, if you see the general medicine calcitrol, calcium carbonate and zinc soft gels tablets, other popular pharmaceutical companies sell them for around 127 rupees for it, whereas the same you can get for just 16 rupees in Jan Aushadhi stores. Yes, this is true. This benefit can be used by every Indian citizen, irrespective of his income group. All he need to do is visit a nearest Jan Aushadhi store and he can purchase all the general medicines that are needed for him. To see what all medicines are available, he can log on to the janaushadhi.gov.in website. So this is that website. BPPA is the Bureau of Pharma PSUs of India, runs this website. All the Jan Aushadhi stores throughout the India have a software which are linked to this BPPA software, wherein they can see with the live availability of medicines. So we have to click me to enter home page to enter this website. There are other websites also which are claiming to be Jan Aushadhi supported websites, but they are fake websites, and those websites are given here. For example, www.janaushadhi.org. In the name Jan Aushadhi is there. Don't think that it is the actual Jan Aushadhi website. No. It is a fake website. You might be prone to wrong medicines. So if you see, I have typed www.janaushadhi.org and a website has already opened. All medicines are available at low cost. We really do not know whether they are genuine medicines or no. So do not purchase any medicines from other websites. The only available genuine website is janaushadhi.gov.in, launched by Government of India for the benefit of people. So once you click here, you can go to the home page. So here you can go to PMBJP products and products master list in the menu. Here you can get the list of all general medicines available. So if you see here, if you want any medicine, you can type here. For example, I have fever. Say assume I want to buy Crocin. So I will type Crocin and click me to search. Okay, so Crocin is not available. So there is a different way to search it. So the basic composition of the Crocin tablet is paracetamol. And paracetamol is the ingredient which is present in the Crocin. So if you see, paracetamol tablets are the equivalent tablets of Crocin. 10 number of tablets are provided at just 55 rupees. It means that one tablet just costs 50 paisa. In these days, nothing is, we can get, even a single chocolate we cannot get for 50 paisa. But we are getting a tablet under PMBJP scheme. Many such general medicines are covered under this scheme. For example, these days many people suffer from low mineral bone density, and hence they should be using calcium tablets regularly. So this calcium carbonate and calcitrol tablets worth rupees just 16. So here we are going to have a net savings of 88%. So a phone number is also given if you have any doubts, or say you want to know the nearest store available in your pin code or available in your area. You can just call this number if you do not have access to internet, or you cannot be able to search in this website, then you can directly make a phone call to this website. So coming to other such general medicines, Fluoxetine is also available. Basically, fluoxetine is used to treat depression, panic attacks, obsessive compulsive disorder, certain eating disorders such as bulimia, and a severe form of premenstrual syndrome such as premenstrual dysphoric disorder. Another such category of medicines is the medicines which are used for treatment of cancer. Gemcitabine is used to treat certain types of cancer, including breast, lung, ovarian, pancreatic cancer. So if you see, the average market price is around 1100 plus, but the same injection, the chemical composition will be same. You need to follow the chemical composition, which is gemcitabine. Of course, its name may be different because the pharmaceutical company which is going to manufacture this is different. You can get this for a very less price of around 240 rupees. Coming to, if you have recently conducted any blood test, and if your hemoglobin levels are less, or if iron levels in your blood is less, then you can purchase this iron and folic acid syrup. Equivalent medicine in the market costs around 151 rupees. This is because this 151 rupees covers dealership charges, profit charges, manufacturing charges, delivery charges, incentive charges, merchant discount rate charges, whereas everything has been compressed, and now in the Ayushman Bhava scheme and in the Jan Aushadhi stores, Government of India is giving just for 29 rupees only. So chlorhexidine mouthwash is available for a price of 19. If you see the equivalent market products, for example, Colgate Plaques is a direct competitor for this product. This is used generally along with regular toothbrush to treat gingivitis, gum diseases, redness of gums, swollen gums, bleeding gums. This falls under the category of antimicrobials. It works by decreasing the amount of bacteria in the mouth, helps to reduce swelling and redness of the gums and bleeding when you brush. So after you brush, generally flossing, goggling is done with this medicine. If you want to purchase a equivalent medicine in the market such as Colgate Plaques, you need to spend 55 rupees, and less than half amount if you spend, it is enough now if you want to use such products. There are other such, these are also used for safer and cleaner menstruation for the women of our country. There are carbonyl iron with zinc and folic acid medicines also available in these stores at just 12 rupees. If you have any black spots on your skin, or skin rashes or skin itches due to fungal growth on your skin, you can buy ketoconazole cream at just 18 rupees. Whereas its market equivalent products are available at a price range of greater than 100 rupees with the same composition. Coming to levocetirizine hydrochloride film coated tablets, it is used for treating allergic conditions, asthma, breathing troubles. If you see a tablet called cetirizine, that is a direct competitor for this drug. Coming to metformin hydrochloride prolonged release tablets, these are used to treat type 2 diabetes, especially in overweight patients. There are many other such medicines available in the Jan Aushadhi stores near your home. Before going to Apollo Pharmacy or any other stores, first reach the stores to check if your general medicine is available or equivalent to your general medicine is available in the store for a reduced price. Coming to Glucometer Digital, this comes with lifetime warranty, and this is used to test your sugar level in the blood at home. This is available at a half of the cost which is available in the market currently. Coming to isosorbide mononitrate, This is used for the medication of heart-related chest pain, heart failure, esophageal spasms, prevent heart-related chest pain. Generally, you need to know this composition, and when you visit your doctor, you can ask your doctor the equivalent composition available in Janaushadhi stores to save your pennies. Amlodipine and atenolol tablets for reducing high blood pressure at a very cheap price. If you see, the overall trend is like that. Almost all of the medicines are available at a price range of half to 1/3 of the market price. For if you see, average market price is around 20, but you are able to get this just for 5 rupees. That is a cost saving of around 77%. Or you are going to get at a price of 1/4 of the market rate. Enzyme syrup is used to regulate your acidity levels, improve digestion, and it is available for just 46 rupees only. So if you see the disclaimer, it is written that consult your physician before taking any medicine. Yes, if you are very sure about the medicine you are going to take, for example, you need to take calcium tablets with calcium calcitrol as the composition, then you can purchase. If you have any acidity problem, then you can purchase this. But when coming to you have got fever, then you can, instead of buying Crocin, you can buy paracetamol from these shops. But coming to higher level medicines like medication for type 2 diabetes, or medication for heart related issues, or medication for blood pressure control issues, it's always better to consult your doctor before taking any medicine on your own. So this bedomethasone dipropionate and neomycin sulfate is just like betnavetiene or Bernal or neomycin cream, which you generally used for to avoid bacterial infection in case of cuts, wounds, bruises, burns, which is available for a lowest price range of 10 rupees only. Again, paclitaxel injection is a chemotherapy medication used to treat a number of types of cancer, including ovarian, breast, lung, Kaposi, cervical, pancreatic cancers. Furthermore, these have to be used under the supervision of a doctor, and you consult your doctor before using any such powerful medications. Coming to vitamin E capsules. If you are suffering from vitamin E deficiency, then you can buy this at a reduced rate from your nearest Janaushadhi stores. If your blood test recently done reveals that you have lack of iron or folic acid in your body, then hematinic syrup which contains iron, folic acid and vitamin B12 is for you only. If your body is feeling lot of tiredness, it is very weak, your eyes are looking red, and it means that your body is lacking vitamin B, and hence all vitamin B1 to B12 are covered in this vitamin B complex syrup. Nevertheless, natural fruits can never replace artificial vitamin syrups and tablets. A banana is a rich source of all vitamin B's, B1, B2, B3, B6, B9, B12, cyanocobalamin, niacin, everything. So that can never be replaced by artificial vitamin syrups. Paracetamol and diclofenac sodium tablets. If you see Dolo 650, it contains 650 mg of paracetamol and is used as a painkiller. Whereas if you see Voveron, along with paracetamol, it contains diclofenac sodium, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory, and it is a drug which is used for as painkiller. So instead of buying that, you can use this tablet, which is available at 1/4 the price of the market price. But keep one thing in mind: regular usage of paracetamol and diclofenac sodium tablets, because these are English medicines, they might have long-term side effects on your kidneys. Regular and prolonged use should be prohibited at any cost. So like this, there are many tablets available. So for example, if you see related to paracetamol, there are 25 types of medicines. Say if I want to know the list of all medicines available in Jan Aushadhi stores, don't type anything in the search bar and directly click me to search. So these are the various drugs or tablets available. For example, aceclofenac, it is a painkiller. Aspirin, used to decrease the blood thickness, useful when cholesterol is in high levels, so that to avoid heart attacks in those patients. Diclofenac sodium, so gel is external application as ointment. Diclofenac sodium tablets is oral medication used for painkiller. Ibuprofen, painkiller. Paracetamol tablets. Amoxicillin, even antibiotics are available in this, but it is always better to consult your doctor before using antibiotics, because they kill your body antigens and might have adverse effects when not used properly. Azithromycin is another antibiotic. Cefixime, another antibiotic. So if you see, there are various classes of medicine coming from general medication like painkillers or paracetamol for treatment of general fever, or general vitamin related tablets, to highly powerful antibiotics. Ketoconazole lotion for reducing fungal growth on the skins of humans. So if you see, you can go through this list. This is the complete exhaustive list of all medicines available in this website. You can easily go through this. For example, vitamin B complex, B1, B2, B6, B12 and vitamin C with zinc capsules are available. 10 numbers with just 6 rupees. Nowadays even Munch chocolates cost more than 6 rupees, but you are getting all such vitamins in just 10 numbers of tablets at 6 rupees only. Vitamin C chewable tablets, 10 numbers, 0.9 rupees. Wow, this is definitely a superb one. If you see commercial tablets like Limc, Sit-C, Suck-C, these tablets cost is around 1 rupee per one tablet, but here it is cost only 0.9 rupee, or that is or 1 rupee for 10 tablets. Ultimate. Even vitamin B complex syrup is available. So clopidogrel, it is again used for reducing the risk of heart attacks. Aspirin, to reduce the blood thickness to prevent heart attacks, especially when your blood veins are closed due to cholesterol growth. So there are, apart from medicines and syrups and antibiotics, many injections are also available. For example, insulin injection and other such things. Apart from this, also mouthwash is available. Apart from this, crepe bandage is also available. Plaster of Paris is also available. So what not? If you see the Venn diagram of the coverage, it covers lot of medicines. All you need to have is patience and knowledge. So if you see, liquid paraffin is available. Likewise, many such medicines are available which you can directly browse in this website. If you do not have an internet connection, you can make a phone call to 1800-180-8080, which is available from 9 AM to 6 PM Monday to Friday. So my humble suggestion to my viewers is, you please go through this website. Say if you want to buy any cotton bandage or crepe bandage or adhesive bandage or face mask or paper adhesive plaster or needles or syringe, first see if those are available in this website, because they are available at a very reduced cost. Even suction catheter, insulin syringe, Rial, abdominal belt, cervical belt, wrist brace, diapers are also available here. So don't lose this opportunity. As I have already communicated to you, my vision of empowerment of world, I will still try to bring all such useful content to you. All you need to do is just subscribe to my channel. Thank you.